Exercise 6.34 sum. An aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meter finds that two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angles of depression of the boats are observed from the aeroplane are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two boats. Hint: square root of 3 is equal to 1.732. Now all of you students look at the diagram. AB is the height of the aeroplane from the ground. Altitude means in the sum they have given an aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meter. Don't worry about altitude means nothing but height is the another name for the height is altitude 1800 meter. That is here one aeroplane is there that is flying. Here it is there aeroplane. So here it is B is the position of the aeroplane. The aeroplane from the ground is 1800 meter. So according to the sums, two boats are sailing towards the aeroplane, B1 and B2. For that, the angle of depression are given as 60 degree and 30 degree. 60 degree and 30 degree. Here, this considers the boat 1. This is the boat 2. Two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angle of depression of the boats are observed from the aeroplane are 60 degree and 30 degree. First is given as a 60 degree. 60 degree will take more angle. So I am taking this is the 60 degree. When this is 60 degree, according to the transversal law, altitude angles are equal. This will become 60 degree. Next one is the next boat is sailing. The angle of depression is 30 degree. 30 degree is the less value. So I am taking this is the 30 degree. According to the transversal law, when it is 30 degree, in right triangle, A, B to B, this is also 30 degree. The B1 and B2 is the distance between both. I will take as the x meter. A and B1 is the distance between first boat and the ground height of the ground level from the height of the aeroplane. I will take this is the y. So this is the diagram represents. Now I am going to mention what are the things in the diagram. First AB. AB is the height of the aeroplane from ground level. B1, B2 are the two boats sailing towards the aeroplane. So AB is equal to 1800 meter. AB is equal to 1800 meter. The distance between two boats B1 and B2 is equal to x meter. The distance between the ground foot of the ground level in the aeroplane and first boat is AB1 is equal to y meter. The question is we have to find the distance between two boats, that is B1 and B2, that is x value. So here you take one right triangle is there. So first I will take this 60 degree in right triangle ABB1. In right triangle ABB1. Now I am going to apply the tan theta formula. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. OPP, that is opposite side. ADJ, that is adjacent side. What is theta value here? 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to what is the opposite side from here B1? That is AB. AB divided by AB1. AB by AB1. Now what is tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree is nothing but that is the root 3. Root 3 is equal to what is the AB value? 1800 meter. 1800 divided by what is AB1? We have taken as the y meter. Y. From this I am going to find the y. Therefore y is equal to 1800 divided by root 3. In denominator root 3 is there. So now I am going to multiply both numerator and denominator root 3. This root 3 into root 3 will become 3. So y is equal to 1800 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, it will become 3. Now there is 3 here, 1800. We can do cancellation. Third table, 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18. So in third table I have cancelled 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18. Remaining 2 0. So 600 root 3 meter. Therefore y is equal to 600 into root 3. Now we will take, this is the equation 1. Next, in right triangle ABB2. Now I am considering the right triangle ABB2. Now I am going to apply the tan theta formula. In right triangle ABB2, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Theta is here 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side is AB divided by AB2. AB divided by AB2. What is tan 30 degree value? That is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to, here what is AB value? AB value is the height of the aeroplane from the ground level. That is 1800 meter. 1800 divided by, here what is AB2 value? AB2 value is AB1 plus B1 B2. That is y plus x. That is x plus y. So here I am writing x plus y. Now I am going to do cross multiplication. This x plus y will come here. This root 3 will goes here. Therefore x plus y is equal to 1800 into root 3. Now look at here, what is y value? Y value is 600 root 3. I am going to apply here. Y value is 600 root 3. Substitute the y value here. Therefore x plus 600 root 3 is equal to 1800 into root 3. Now keep it the x. What is x? X is the distance b1 b2. X is the distance between boat 1 and boat 2. Therefore x is equal to 1800 root 3 minus 600 root 3. Now take root 3 as a common. If you take root 3 as the common, the remaining values are 1800 minus 600. The root 3 into 1800 minus 600, we will get 1200. Now what is the root 3 value? Root 3 value is 1.732. Root 3 value is 1.732 into, already here 1800 minus 600, we are getting 1200. Now we have to multiply 1.732 by 12. 1.732 by 12. By multiplying 1732 by 12, I am getting 20784. Here already 20 is there. So 20784. Here already I rejected the 20. Now I have to add the 20. After that, 1.732 is the decimal value. Here after point we have 3 decimal places. So now I have to keep 1, 2, 3 decimal places. Therefore x is equal to 2078.4 meter. That is 2078.4 meter. Therefore the distance between two boats are 2078.4 meter is the final answer.